The rise of AI is unstoppable. It's writing code, fixing bugs, and even developing apps in seconds. So the million-dollar question, can AI replace software developers? Let's be honest, AI is mind-blowing. It can generate code snippets, suggest optimizations, and even write entire applications. It's faster, more efficient, and never gets tired. But does that mean human developers are obsolete? Not so fast. Here's the reality. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Yes, it automates repetitive tasks, but software development isn't just about writing code. It's about problem solving, creativity, logic, and most importantly, understanding human needs. And guess what? AI still struggles with that. Let's take innovation as an example. Who built AI? Humans. Who designs the systems AI works on? Humans. Who understands the ever-changing business and user needs? Humans. AI doesn't have intuition, emotional intelligence, or the ability to think outside the box. It doesn't innovate. It simply follows patterns. And let's talk about accountability. When AI writes bad code or creates security vulnerabilities, who takes responsibility? A human developer is needed to debug, test, and refine. Companies won't trust a machine to make critical decisions without human oversight. So, what's the future? AI will reshape software development. It will make developers more efficient, automate mundane tasks, and assist in coding. But replace software developers entirely? Not a chance. Instead, the demand for highly skilled, adaptive, and innovative developers will only grow. The best developers won't fear AI. They'll master it. They'll use AI as a powerful assistant, not a threat. Because at the end of the day, software development isn't just about writing code. It's about solving problems, pushing boundaries, and shaping the future. And that's something only humans can do. Think about it. AI can generate thousands of lines of code, but can it truly understand what a user wants? Can it replace the passion, intuition, and experience of a human mind? The greatest innovations come from human vision, not machine learning algorithms. So, developers, don't fear AI. Embrace it. Learn to work alongside it, leverage its capabilities, and use it to accelerate your creativity. The future of software development isn't AI replacing humans. It's humans and AI working together to build a smarter, more advanced world.